Friends, we have a good news here. The internal reservation is implemented now in Karnataka. You can see this newspaper cutting here. The government of Karnataka issued the official order implementing the internal reservation across Karnataka, and this will be applicable to both education admissions and also to government employment opportunities. So we can say that our recruitments which we are waiting for since a long time are coming nearby. We have this PDF file also of the order. Here you can see that there are three categories A, B and C in this document. In category A, there are 16 communities with 6% of reservation. In category B, there are 19 communities with 6% of reservation. And rest is category C with 63 communities and 5% of reservation. The main purpose of this internal reservation step was to ensure fair representation for backward communities and also to create equal opportunities in both education and government jobs in Karnataka. We can say that this is a very important move by Karnataka government towards social justice. But for us, the good news here is that all the recruitments which were stopped even after the financial approval was done because of internal reservation will now start soon. So we can say that this is a good news for us. So aspirants who are preparing for your TET or government teacher recruitments like GPSTR, HSTR and CRISE, that is aided schools, please increase your speed of preparing for your exam because the recruitment is coming nearby very soon. As I have been telling always, don't wait for the notification because once notification is done, your exam will be there within 2 months. Recently we told you about the KSET notification, right? See, the online application procedure is starting on 28th August and the KSET exam will be conducted on November 2nd. Right? So in between we have only September and October, only 2 months, right? So after notification you will have the same time 2 months for your exam, either it be TET or it be primary school teacher recruitment or high school teacher recruitment. So friends, please take this seriously. The notification is expected in few months, we can say in 1 to 2 months we can expect it. First of course we are expecting TET only. After that there will be floods of recruitments for government jobs. So you have to take this seriously.